We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Dell C1765 printer. And the problem we've been having is we're getting some lines and blemishes on the pages whenever we're making copies or scans. That's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So today we're going to go ahead and show you how to clean it. It's a very simple process. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and open the top of the scanner. When you do that, you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass under here. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face-down copies, and there's this little small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. And what this small strip of glass is for is whenever you're using this top document feeder to do any of your copying or scanning, all that's being done in this small strip of glass here on the left side of the printer. The reason that's important is depending on when you're noticing these blemishes occurring, that can help tell you which piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on. So that's just a good little troubleshooting tip for you. Other than that, once you figure out which piece of glass you need to focus your cleaning on, you need a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And then the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. Never apply your cleaner directly to the glass in the printer. If you do that, you run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and that's going to cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. And then after that, we're just going to go ahead and wipe off the glass, making sure to remove any fingerprints, dust, any ink buildup, whiteout buildup, tape. All those are very common to find on the scanner glass. Keep in mind though, things like ink buildup, whiteout, things like that are a little more difficult to get off. You're going to have to go over those areas a few more times. So make sure that you're really paying attention to just wiping it off. You don't just kind of wipe it and go. You want to give it a good visual inspection afterwards, making sure you don't see anything left on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks nice and clean, I would recommend doing a test copy or a test scan just to make sure that you're happy with the scanner glass, that all those blemishes went away. And since we cleaned both pieces of glass, I would actually try it from both methods. So I would do a couple from the top document feeder as well as doing a couple of face-down copies just to make sure you're not getting blemishes either way. If everything turns out great and you're not having any more blemishes, then you're good to go. If you're still getting some slight blemishes, you might have to repeat the cleaning process one more time. There could be a couple little spots that are just a little harder to see, or maybe some of the ink just being a little more stubborn, just doesn't want to come out all the way just yet. So go ahead and repeat that process one more time. Again, that should take care of it. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help you out with that. Also, if there's any way we can help supply you with any office supplies or printer supplies, please let us know. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.